Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have the gift card ready. Start by confirming its balance and that it's activated. This prevents declines later. Next, sign into your Apple ID on the device you'll purchase from and confirm the billing address exactly matches the card's registered address. Once done, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled because Apple sometimes blocks new payment methods without it. These steps reduce friction. Do them now so the payment phase goes smoothly and you avoid repeated rejections. Open Settings and go to Payment and Shipping, or open the App Store and tap your account to manage payment methods. Choose Add Payment Method and carefully type the American Express gift card number, expiration date, and security code. Precision matters because one wrong digit triggers a rejection. Then set the billing address to match what the card issuer has on file. Once saved, Apple may run a small authorization, if prompted. Complete verification. This links the card to your Apple ID and prepares it for purchases. At checkout, pick the American Express gift card as your payment method and confirm the purchase. If the card balance is too low, Apple will let you split payment. Use Apple ID balance first, then a backup card to cover the remainder. Once the charge processes, you'll receive a receipt. If the transaction fails, recheck the billing address and card details immediately. If still blocked, call the card issuer to confirm activation and available funds, or contact Apple support. These calls resolve authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.